So just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always, please do drop a like, subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff, really helps me out. As we can see then, over the past month or so, really nothing much happening apart from chopping sideways in this range here. Recently having a bit of a retracement, I think, in line with Bitcoin retracing, as you can see here. Pretty much, in my opinion, looking like Verasity is heading back down to the downside here. We've swept down below this low here. Got a pretty nice bounce from this area of liquidity, as you can see. But in my opinion, probably looking like we're going to continue down like this to these next areas of liquidity, to be honest, if we continue to see this trickle to the downside for Verasity in the immediate short term. I think for the medium and long term, that considering the fact that we've swept liquidity so many times down below these levels and we've had so much manipulation in this market, you can see these big wicks happening consistently as people have been dropping huge bags of Verasity on the market. That, in my opinion, we're probably behind us in terms of most of the downwards price action, and I think overall we've been seeing a bit of a renaissance for some cryptos in the markets recently. Obviously Ethereum's at all-time highs right now pretty much. If we take a quick look here, you can see Ethereum looking like it's coiling up for another all-time high. Bitcoin here breaking out, potentially either coming down again here and holding the market back in the short term, or getting a bounce and continuing to the upside. Right now, Verasity for me looking basically like we're just in a bit of a weird spot with low volume and low interest, and we are waiting to see if we're going to get a pickup from these areas. You can see previously that we have had these kinds of movements before. As you can see, if you look at the charts here, we were trickling down for a long time and then suddenly got this nice 4x off of the lows after we came down and tapped into that 10th of a cent area. We're heading back towards that level now, and we could get a nice build up of potential buyers down here as well, ready to bounce the price. Right now I think Verasity just in a weird spot, but we could still be looking for this really big W double bottom pattern with a target back up towards 1 cent up here, which would be around a 10x from the current price. I've been accumulating for some time and I'm still just waiting to see if we're going to get that bounce. Amazingly, after all this averaging in I've been doing, I'm pretty much at break even at this point, somewhere maybe a little bit down from break even, somewhere here. So any pump to the upside is going to be a win for me at this point. And we're just going to wait and see what happens next. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment and get some free money from the description below from all of our exchange partnerships.